EMI. Sounds of EMI. Hi, this is the guy from EMI, in company with
76 trombones led the big parade.
Broadway Originals by Dave Stevens.
Every night I sit here by my window.
Mr. Bobby Darin. Roger Laredo's lovely Latin Orchestra and Caterina Valenti.
Lovely Vienna at night.
I can't stand it any longer. No food, no water, the melt. I can't stand it.
Steady, Mr. English. We've only been in here 14 seconds.
I know, but there's a limit to what a man can stand.
Okay, Dave Stevens, let's hear that Broadway original.
76 trombones led the big parade, with 110 cornets close at hand. They were followed by rows and rows of the finest virtuosos, the cream of every famous band. 76 trombones caught the morning sun, with 110 cornets right behind. There were more than 1,000 reeds springing up like weeds. There were horns of every shape and kind. There were copper-bottom timpani and horse platoons, thundering, thundering all along the way. Doppelbell, euphoniums, and big bassoons. Each bassoon having his big fat say. There were 60 mounted cannon in the battery, thundering, thundering, louder than before. Clarinets of every size and trumpeters who'd improvise a full octave higher than the score. 76 trombones hit the counterpoint, while 110 cornets blazed away. To the rhythm of march, 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 all the kids began to march, and their marching's still right today.
On Columbia, a great selection of all-time hit Broadway songs sounding just as they did on opening night and presented for the first time there on 4-channel 35mm magnetic film, which is a revolutionary new recording medium. This new technique results in a greatly improved sound quality, and just why this is so is explained on the back. 11 hit songs from 8 Broadway shows by a top arranger in his own right.
Who is this man?
Dave Stevens on Columbia.
Sha-la-la-la-loo. Sha-la-la-la-loo.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea.
Sha-la-la-la-loo.
A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me. The greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Oh, the greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. The greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Oh.
The new Bobby Darin London LP called Things and Other Things. All Bobby's own compositions, but two, and all with a definite swinging background. Sha-la-la-la-loo. There's the theme from Come September. There's You're Mine, Lost Love, Things, Beachcomber, and there, of course, Nature Boy. On London, Things and Other Things, from the boy who's now right at the top, Bobby Darin.
Yes, it's been a long, hard climb, you know.
Which reminds me, we're still sorting entries for our current competition. But right now I can bring you the winners of competition number 2, which was for the Bossa Nova album of Lorindo Almeida, remember? Just a minute. Here they are. Here are the winners. I can sort myself out here from each state. The winners are Paul Stevens of Dubbo, New South Wales, Mrs. Byford of West Heidelberg, Victoria, J.R. Dyer of the Royal Military College, Duntroon, ACT, very good, Gary Hill of Townsville, Queensland, Michael Hunt of Fremantle, West Australia, Margaret Duff of South Burney, Tasmania, and Bob and Wendy Brock of Darwin, Northern Territory. Nice to hear from you up there. And congratulations to you all. Your Bossa Nova albums are on their way. And for you folks maybe listening for the first time, tell us which album you like best in today's show, why you like it, and which station you're listening to. If yours is the best letter from your state, the disc is yours. The address is Sounds of EMI, EMI, Castlereagh Street, Sydney. Let's hear from you.
Don't press that plunger. You can't press that plunger.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
This is Sounds of EMI, and I'll be back to explain all of that in just a moment. Roger Laredo's orchestra and Arrivederci Roma from Decca Sound 4, all Italian melodies and released this week. Roger Laredo plays Italy. It's a nice album. Okay, released this week, an opus from Peter Sellers and Spike Milligan. It's a beautiful send-up on the film Bridge Over the River Kwai.
We present The Bridge Over the River Kwai, subsequently The Lawsuit Over the River Kwai, and finally Ministry of Hygiene Annual Report on the River Kwai.
You saw the film, you read the book. Now feel the suit as you heard it on the new wide stereophonic phonograph. Here it is as nature never intended.
By sitting on both sides of the room, you can hear the full range of Wilton carpets in wrinkled strin.
This is the story of brave men who volunteered to act these parts for money alone.
And what a story it is. I wish we had time to play more, but it's in your store this week, and it's a gaff. Bridge Over the River, Why? And don't forget Decca's Caterina Valenti on tour.
Oh, lovely, lovely Vienna at night. Gaily sparkles with light. Wine, women, and song, always thrilling, always heart-fulfilling. Here is laughter and mirth. Here is heaven on earth. This old side is my delight. Lovely Vienna at night. Lovely Vienna at night. Gaily sparkles with light. Wine, women, and song, always thrilling, always heart-fulfilling. Here is laughter and mirth. Here is heaven on earth. This old side is my delight. Lovely Vienna at night.
Caterina Valenti, a doll, and with her brother Silvio Francesco also along, it's a new Decca LP called Caterina on Tour. Some nice songs from various parts of Europe sung in different languages. Must remember that one. Well, that's about it for today. I'm sorry we couldn't announce winners from other current competitions. I thought we'd have it all done yesterday, but believe me, brother, we were snowed under with entries.
And to make matters worse, it was half-day early closing.
Yes, that's all. Kev Golsby speaking for Sounds of EMI. See you next time.